Okay. All right, let's keep going. Lads, this one here, unfortunately, you still learn the addition of two cubes. So you write down a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay? Now, next thing, lads, is how did I identify this question? How do I know that this question needs to be done using this? Okay? And it's very simple. Here's the hints. Power 3, power 3, power 3, power 3, plus, plus. It screams that it's using this formula. Okay? The next thing is 27. What's the cube root of 27? No, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So it's 3x to be cubed. Plus, anybody? The cube root of a? 2. 2y to be cubed. Now, lads, here's what we're going to do. Anywhere you see an a, what do you put in instead? Not 3. 3x. And anywhere you see... Now, anywhere you see an a, you put 3x. Anywhere you see b, put in 2y. Okay, what's a squared? A is 3x. So what's a squared? It means 3x by 3x, which is 9x squared when you multiply them. Now this one here, the AB is minus 3x times 2y. What's minus 3x times 2y? 6xy. And finally, b is 2x. So what does that make b squared? 2x 2b squared, which is 2x times 2x, 4x squared. Okay. We all right with that, gents? Right, how many people got full marks on that one there? Okay. Okay, cool. Next one. Okay, I'm still going. Thank you. Now, gents, this one here. Factorize and simplify the following. Okay. And this one here. Now, guys, I'm going to bring your attention to this. When I ask you to do 2/3, all right? Okay. So, lads, if you have 2/3 divided by, for argument's sake, 9/4. Okay. There's two things you can do here. First of all, 2/3, and then that ends up being multiplied by 4/9. Okay. Now, what I'd ask you guys is it fully factorized? Is the 4 fully factorized? No. 4 can be broken up into 2 times 2. 9 can be broken up into... Okay. And did I turn that upside down that time? All right. And then, sorry, just something I should have done at the start here. My bad. That should have been 4/9 there. Okay. Sorry. So, sorry, missing the lesson here. Okay. Okay. Now, so gents, this is multiplied by 9/4. Now, what I said to you guys is 9 and 4 aren't fully factorized, all right? 3 times 3. This is 2 times 2, yeah? And what can I cross off here? 1 3 with 1 3 and 1 2 with 1 2. And you'll find out that this answer is 3/2. And this is no different. Is this fully factorized? No. So what I'll do first is I'll fully factorize everything. Okay? I'll fully factorize everything. And once I factorize the x squared plus 3x, x into... Okay. What can I take out of the bottom here? 2x into... Oh, sorry, 2x squared. Why should I take out 2x squared? Huh? Yeah, I can take both x's out, yeah? Okay. And what goes in here? Minus 5, yeah? All right. You have to factorize this, okay? All right, guys. Now, gents, to do this question, you're going to multiply 2 by 15 and you get 30. Two numbers that multiply to give you 30, but yeah, add to give you minus 11. Minus 6 and minus 5, okay? You're going to factorize the two of these. Okay? And what we know is the following, guys, okay? That we know that you can factorize it like this, and the two brackets have to be the same, and that's minus 5, isn't it? So what do we get up here? 2x minus 5 and minus 3. Okay, everything's fully factorized now. Okay, so it's similar to what we did on the left. You fully factorize everything, and then stuff starts cancelling. Okay, now what's the only thing I haven't done yet? I haven't flipped upside down. So I have to do that as what's it? 2x squared. Yeah, and okay. Okay. Now, what cancels? Anything else? What else? X minus 3. Sorry, x minus 3. Sorry. 3. Lads, 2x squared, which is 2xx divided by x. 2x. Okay. Dad, you okay in the corner there? Okay. Pause it there. Okay. Now, most of us with the binomial were pretty handy, to be fair to you. So, we realize it's a 4. It's a 4c0. 2x to the power of 4. It's 4c1. It's your 2x to the power of 3 and your 3y to the power of 1. It's your 4c2. It's your 2x to the power of 2 power 2. If you want to check if your answers are correct or not, I'm sure you all know this. Okay. If you add the two powers together, they must always equal what? 4. Okay. Now, 4c3, you can call out some answers for me in a second. I'd prefer not to have to enter each and every one of these into the calculator. Okay. And what's the last one? Is everybody happy enough with the binomial theorem? Okay. Which one? Oh, thank you. Here. That's a 3. Thanks very much. They all had that up to 4, don't they? Okay. Did anybody get 16x4? I don't know the next one. What's the next one? How much? Yeah. 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 X what? Oh, sorry. 81y4 goes plus minus plus minus plus minus, doesn't it? Excellent, lads. Does everybody know how to use the calculator for that? Are you sure? So you don't need to be to zoom in and show you anything like I did before. Perfect. Okay. For argument's sake, I'll just do one of them. All right, lads. For those of you who don't know, okay, see this blue one here? All I'm looking at is I know that this is going to be an xy cubed. How do I know that? There's an x to the power 1 and there's a y to the power 3. So when I'm doing these questions, I ignore, sorry, this is the old calculator, but you get the gist, all right? 4c3, okay, and I put that in brackets. Okay, I'll get the new calculator back up in a second. And then we multiply that by 2. See 2 to the power 1? And then you multiply that by minus 3 to the power of what? Minus 3 to the power of 3. Calculator does all the hard work. There's your 216. I just opened up the wrong one. That's all. Shh. Okay. There's no need to talk too much about it. Now, guys, this one here, you're going to find for you been on the frustrating side. All you need to do is anywhere you see 4, anywhere you see x, put in 4. 3 times 4, 12. 6 times 4. Okay. This means the first one's 5 over 10. And the second one is? Yeah. And you're just going to throw that into the calculator. And 5 over 10 minus 7 over 12. And you should get an answer of what is it? Yeah, that's minus 1/12, okay? So that's not so bad. Yes? Yeah, do you bring it to be at the end? Right. Gents, next one, multiply. Okay, this is pretty much an order level question, okay? Now, there's 2 items in the first bracket. There's 3 items in the second bracket. How many items will I have when I multiply them? 6, don't say 5, it's 6. When you multiply them, you'll have 6 items. So see how many lines I draw? 1. Oh, did I? Sorry. There's A down here. Ah, okay, my fault. So 2 items in the first bracket, 2 items in the second bracket. How many items are we talking about here? 4 items here. 2 in the first bracket, 2 in the second bracket. That's me multiplying the 2 brackets together. You go. Now multiplying the red part is me multiplying this part here, which is 2 items and 1 item on the outside. And I'm finding the plus 4 that does absolutely nothing. 4 did nothing. Okay. What cancels? Okay. Minus 4x plus 15x is 11x. Minus 20 minus 6 minus 26 minus 26 plus 4 is 22. 11x minus 22. Mouse just cleaned it up. Okay. We cool? Okay. Next one. 2 by 3. 6 items expected, isn't it? 6 items expected. 2x times 4. 8x. 2x by 5x. Yeah. 2x by x. Cubed. Minus 3 by 4. It's 12. Plus 15. Quick check. Do I have all 6 items? Have all 6 items? Means I'm good to go. Okay. 2x cubed. That and that combined. Minus 13x squared. Yeah. This one and this one combined. And then, cool. Any questions? You'd be disappointed you didn't get that one now if you were to look at it again. Okay. There's no real catch there. Oh, there's a C. Oh, this one now. This was killer. Okay. Shh. This one hurt the soul. Okay. Imagine this. Shh. Imagine 1/7 minus 1/5. Sorry, 1/5 minus 1/7. Okay. Here's all you have to do. 5 is 1, 7 is the other one. You look across, what do you see? You see a 7. You go, I'll have a 7 top and bottom, please. You look to the left, what do you see? A 5. You'll go, I'll have a 5 top and bottom, please. Now they're both over 35, aren't they? So it's 7 over 35 minus 5 over 35. Now, I could have wrote that. Everybody see that second step that you think is so easy? I actually could have just wrote it like this, couldn't I? I didn't actually need to use 2 separate denominators. I could just use 1 denominator. That's what I'm suggesting here. Okay, here's what I'm suggesting. You look across, and what do you see? Okay, whatever you see, you put top and bottom. The 2x minus 7 sees the 5x plus 2. You put that top and bottom. The 5x plus 2 sees the 2x minus 7. You put that top and bottom. Do they both have the same denominator now? Yeah. Key problem, that minus belongs to that 1. Okay, so we're going to get 15x plus 6. Then you're going to get minus 2x plus 7. And it's all going to be over common denominator of 5x plus 2 and 2x minus 7. Okay, 13x plus 13, is it? All over 5x plus 2 and 2x minus 7. There's no further factorizing to be done. You could take out the 13 on top. If you take out the 13 on top, does it get you any further? Does anything else cancel? Like multiply it back out again? It does nothing. You can if you want. Does it say simplify? It just says express as a single fraction. If you multiply it out, it'd still be okay, but same answer. Who got that one? Full marks there. You either got this blue one here or this one over here. Nobody got 10 marks for that. All right. All right, gents. Long division. Okay. To be fair. Okay. What did we say about long division? Divide, multiply, subtract or change, and drop. Okay. Your targeting looks like this. What goes on top? Sorry, one sec, guys.